What's up, family? Action Jacqueline here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my show. Hope everybody's doing really well. I know at the beginning of every video I say the same thing, which is basically, oh, I'm sorry I'm inconsistent. It's just that blah, 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 fill in the blanks. If I'm going to be honest, the real reason why I don't record regularly is because I don't get a lot of feedback from, the comments. So there's not a lot, driving me to want to do this each and every week and maintain a schedule. I did that at the beginning and it was just like, is it worth it? Is it worth it? People don't like me that much anyway. I know I'm kind of abrasive. I know that with alopecia personalities like myself, people want someone who's going to constantly talk about alopecia and probably ways to cure alopecia, which I don't know. I've had alopecia for like 30 years and I've tried everything under the sun to regrow my hair. Nothing works. So people hate to hear that. They just want to hear that their hair is going to grow back. And I get it, but I don't have that for you. Okay. Okay. So let's just jump right into the reason why I recorded this video, which was to talk about this amazing wig that I'm wearing. Okay. Take a look at it. This wig is called Eliana. It's from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. And it is in color Sandy Blonde, DR4 Sandy Blonde. All right, so let me just say that if I had done my homework before purchasing this wig, I would not have purchased this wig. This wig is a problem, okay? First of all, you buy it, you put it on your head and immediately fall in love with it, right? And then you wear it for a day, and by the end of that day, the ends get real crunchy and dry and tangly, and you have to comb it all the time. And it basically, honestly, it will embarrass you. After a full 8-hour shift of work, your Eliana wig is gonna look crappy. I hate to tell you this, all right? So as much as I hated that, I'm glad I purchased it. All right, so I'm happy I purchased it because I figured out how to reconstruct it and make it work. Okay, first the pros. The pros are the amazing color. Just look at this color. I recently went blonde, and it's really hard to find a blonde with a brown root instead of like a jet black root. Jet black looks terrible on me. So I appreciate the fact that the root is brown. Second, I don't know if you guys can really appreciate the parting space. I do wish that it was wider this way. You only get like 1 inch peripherally, but you do get the depth. Also, the hairline all around the front looks amazing. So this is what they mean by the melted hairline. It just basically melts into your skin. So I'm in love with it. However, the quality of the fibers suck. You wear it 1 or 2 times and then it's finished. So what I did was I basically just sewed in a full pack of Remy hair into the wig. So this is a synthetic wig that I weaved human hair wefts into. So now essentially what you have is a human hair blend wig. It's able to hold curl, it moves, and it's much more manageable. I don't have to comb it as often. I will link another video of how you go about sewing in wefts. You have to know how to sew. You have to have some dexterity. So if you don't know how to sew, if you're not familiar with it too much, you may not want to take on this project. Or guys, a girlfriend of mine right now, she's actually paying me $150 to do the work for her because she just thinks that it's worth it. So this wig, basically, I picked it up at the beauty supply store for, I think it was like $55. I see it online all the time for like $35, which is an amazing price, but they're never in stock. So if you do stumble across it at your local beauty supply store and you want it, I think it's worth it if you're willing to do the extensive amount of work that I did in order to weave in the hair. So I'm going to try to show you some areas of, some areas where I sewed in some weaving here. Can you even see anything? Okay, I feel like this is an area where I sewed in some weaving here. Can you see it? Can you see the stitching? Anyway, look at the video if you want to learn how to do it. But if you don't feel like doing this much work, then guys, don't do it. Okay, so if you want to see what this wig looks like straight out the bag, you'll have to just go look at another video for that. There's literally tons of other videos, and they all say the same thing, that this is a beautiful wig, but it doesn't last. But guys, I don't regret it. I don't regret buying it, because fortunately I know how to sew. I know a little something about wig construction, so I was able to put this together, and I love it. I've been wearing it for a month now. It is bomb, y'all. It is gorgeous. I love it. Let me turn around and show you what the back looks like. Can you see? Well, basically that's the back. It has really nice movement, but like I said, if you're not ready to put in the work or pay somebody to do the work, probably is not the wig for you. Anyway, guys, you take good care of yourself. I love you very much, and I'll talk to y'all again soon. Peace.